Hello friends, colleagues, teachers and students. Now we discuss a question from mixtures and allegations. By applying that alligation technique, we try to solve that question. Let me share the question. 1 second. Okay, here in this question, a fruit seller purchased some apples and mangoes. We don't know the number of apples and mangoes, may be equal or may not be equal at the same price. Cost price is same, and plan to sell mangoes at 20% profit and apples at 30% profit. He made certain baskets of apples and mangoes. In that basket, any number of apples may be there, some other number of mangoes will be there, and every basket had equal numbers of apples and mangoes. The meaning behind this is, for example, if a basket is there, in these 3 mangoes and 2 apples are here, and if you take another basket, it also contains 3 and 2 only. 3 mangoes, 2 apples, 3 mangoes, 2 apples. In that way, does not change. It doesn't get changed. He made certain baskets. Every basket had equal number of apples and mangoes. That means in each basket, the number of apples or the number of mangoes remains same. Maybe a number of mangoes and a number of apples may be different in magnitude, different in number. For example, apple is having two apples are in the first basket. Second basket also 2 apples will be there. In the first basket, 3 mangoes are there. In the second basket also 3 mangoes will be there. That number remains unchanged. Because of this different percentages difference, there is a profit of 24%. Because of this, I am saying the above mentioned point. Every basket had equal numbers of apples and mangoes. He realizes that from each basket he has a profit of 24%. The meaning behind is that if, for example, if this is 20%, 30%, if the overall profit is 25%, under that condition you can say mangoes and apples are equally sold. But here it is 24%. That brings information that the number of mangoes and the number of apples are different in each basket. It is not equal. Okay, he sold the remaining apples at a profit of 30%. On the whole, he made a profit of 25%. What was the ratio of number of apples to that of the number of mangoes which he purchased earlier? So by using alligation method, I try to write profit, apples, mangoes. On apples, 30% profit. On mangoes, 20% profit. 20% profit. He told that in a basket is made up of apples and mangoes, and that basket is having a profit of 24%. I repeat here. Apples are having 30% profit, mangoes are having 20% profit, and that basket is having 24% overall profit. So the quantity now can be obtained by alligation rule. 30 minus 24, it is 6. 24 minus 10 is 4. That means 2:3 will be the 2 parts apple, 2 parts apples, 3 parts mangoes. That means 3 parts mangoes. If you in that basket assume in that basket 2 apples are present and 3 mangoes are here, but at the very beginning he planned to some apples and mangoes, and okay, now we proceed. He sold the remaining apples at a profit of 30%. So we don't know how many apples are left, but we know 2 apples and 3 mangoes are in a basket. So again, by applying alligation rule, he sold the remaining apples at a profit. This is mixture 1 and this is mixture 2. In mixture 2, only apples are present. These apples are remaining apples remaining. Mixture one is baskets. This contains apples plus mangoes. This basket is having a profit of 24%, and remaining mangoes, remaining apples are clearly we can say mangoes are sold in more in number compared to apples. Therefore, remaining apples have to be taken, and they are sold at a profit of 30%. Therefore, remaining apples 30% profit. So 24%, 30%. On the whole, he made a profit of 25%. So M1 is 24%, M2 is 30%, M2 is only apples remaining 30%, M1 is baskets, all the baskets, apples plus mangoes having 24% profit. All the as a whole, both mixtures, mixture one and mixture two, now have a combined profit of 25%. 25 minus 30 is 1. 30 minus 25 is 6. 25, sorry, this is 5. 25 minus 24 is 1. So that means basket contains 5 quantities, 5 parts. Remaining apples contain 1 part. So in these 5 parts, what is apple and what is mango? Apple are, you observe, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This 5 includes 2 apples, 3 mangoes. This 5 includes 2 apples and 3 mangoes. What about this one? What about this one? This one is purely apple. So if you add all these, 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. It is becoming 6. In that 6, 3 mangoes, 2 plus 1 apples. So 3 mangoes, 3 apples. 3 apples are nothing but 2 plus 1. 1 remaining, 2 mixed in the basket, and 3 mangoes in the basket. These are mangoes, these are apples. Now if you observe, at the very beginning of that process, we are having 3:3 or 1:1 ratio mangoes and apples. So answer to this question is option 1. If percentage is 24 and 20 and this 25 gets changed, then definitely we will get answers 2, 3, 4 possibility. But here, based on this, answer to this question is 1:1. I repeat, basket contains 5 parts, 2 parts apple, 3 parts mangoes. The remaining parts of apples are 30% profit sold. Basket profit is 24%. Overall profit is 25%. Therefore, baskets should contain 25 minus 24, 1, and 30 minus 25, 5. 5 parts of quantity should be there in basket, and 1 part of quantity should be there in remaining apples. Remaining apples being 1 and 5 parts, 3 and 2, 3 mangoes and 2 apples are in basket. So altogether 5 plus 1, 6. In that 6, 3:3, 1:1. So mangoes to apples ratio is 1:1 at the very beginning. So answer to this question is 1:1. I hope this cleared your doubt. Thank you. If you like my video, please share my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you.